Hey patrons, here is your sneak peek video. It's Heather from Hooked on Pickin. So here is what is on this week's fire sale, which is 10/9 of 2020. Plastic bowl sets, you get 2 of those packs for $5, and we have 5 available. Number 2 is natural deodorant tea tree. $5 a piece, and we have 6 available. Then we have the Hanne Moray perfume. $10 only is all we're asking. 6 available as well. Number 4 is the essential oils. $15 a piece. 6 available of those as well. Number 5 is from my local artist. Here's a teacher's pet apple gourd with a fun bird on it and the green color. $35 for this awesome apple gourd. Number 6 is a birdhouse gourd, $20. It's actually wax finished. You can hang it outside, $20. Number 7 is a 2-pack of glass bottle dispensers. They have a gold pump lid on them, but and with an extra pump lid that comes with it, $10 for that box.
Open it tomorrow.
Yes, we'll show them a little better. Number 8, if you haven't seen the unboxings, you'll probably see it. Number 8 is a bamboo pen set, really fancy, $10. Number 9...
I'll wrap that stuff for you.
Yep. Number 9 is the White Diamonds Elizabeth Taylor gift set, $25. We have 4 available. Number 10 is very last Happy Fall Y'all sign for $15. It is the last one we have. All right. Then I'm so excited about these. Let's get ready for Christmas. Joy to the World sign says Joy to the World with a star in the upper corner, $15, and I have 6 available. Number 12 is a set of youth skis. It does come with the ski poles, so $20 for those youth skis. Number 13 is actually a sausage stuffer. It's a 9-pound sausage stuffer, really cool, $50, and it does come with all that is needed to stuff your sausages. Number 14 is a first aid kit that is fully stocked, $25. Number 15 is a very long gourd birdhouse for $20. Number 16 is a cute fat birdhouse gourd for $20, and it does have holes in the bottom so that the water drains out of it, but it's perfect for nesting birds. Number 17 are really awesome tripod chalkboards. They are metal. They are a tripod. Let me get this open for you. This one has never been opened.
Oh.
I think it's the bottom one. Yeah, it's the bottom one.
That figures.
Of course. All right, let me see if I can reorganize this here. All right, so this one is number 17.
I think 17.
Yeah, number 17. Looks like this. So it comes with a cool tripod stand. Does come with the bolt to put this in. And here is what the chalkboard. And it's metal on the inside, so it's a chalkboard, but then you can put magnets on it as well. It's really cute. So we're just going to leave that open like that. We'll remember to get it out tomorrow. Get it ready for tomorrow. Number 18 is cool unicorn lights. So that lights up in multiple different colors. So $5. We have 2 available for the wall unicorn light. Then number 19 is 4 candles with a gold base. So they are electric candles you just plug into the wall. Has a really cool flickering wick kind of set, but 2 of them available, $15 per box, and in each box there's 4 electric candles. Number 20 is a wooden toilet seat, because who doesn't need a wooden toilet seat? 2 of them available at $20. So if you need to replace your toilet seat, there you go. Number 21 is a set of white antique hooks. You get 3 cast iron hooks, $10. Number 22, polymer clay for $5. Number 23 is these easel 5x7 picture frames. They are magnetic, so they hold the picture on with the magnet. 3 available, $5 a piece. Number 24 is a wooden Kleenex box at $5 a piece. Number 25 is a black chair covers. There are 10 in the bag, and they cover a metal chair to make them look all fancy and gorgeous. $10 for the whole bag. Number 26 is a 4-pack of air freshener bags. They look like cool gray air freshener bags, $10. Number 27 is this massively huge pot and pan set. So you get this whole pot and pan set for $50. Then number 28 is 3,000 toilet seat covers for 50 bucks. So you get those covers, you sit down, that are flushable, $50, 3,000 of them. They come in smaller increments though, 24 sheets I think in a pack. So or 24 packs of 125 sheets. Sorry about that. Number 29 is a full or queen duvet cover set for 50 bucks. Number 30 is a Tommy Tippy set. It's actually for nursing moms. It comes with all of that you see there. So that's $40. It's brand new, still in package. Number 31 are our famous Hexbugs robot toys. 60 bucks. We have 5 available, and those are actually a great deal because they're about $110 online right now. Number 32 is our famous Tool Milwaukee bag with Kevlar threading. So perfect for electrical tools. We have 2 available on the sale. We might have more depending on how the sale goes. Number 33, 16-piece salt drinkware set for $15. Number 34 is a Swiss Gear backpack, black in color, for $50. Number 35 is 2 of the Mummy blue and gray sleeping bags. Comes with a pillow and a bag, $20 a piece. Number 36 is an under the sink drawer storage unit for $10. Number 37 is a scale for $10. Number 38 is a laundry bag for $10. Number 39 is our really cool gray diaper bag for $20. It's really thermal lined. Then we have a black diaper bag. We've got 2 on the table, but we're actually selling 6, so we have 6 set somewhere else. So it's black diaper bag, all lined on the inside. Number 41 is our 12-pack of nail polishes. We have 2 of them available at $5 a piece. Number 42 is the Clipsitch, I'm sure I'm saying that terribly, speaker for $150. It's running about $300 normally. Number 43 is solar post lights for $40. Set of 8 in there. Thanks. 8 solar post lights in that box. Number 44 is a doormat for $25. So really... welcome. Says welcome. Thank you. Number 45 is a cool laptop desk for $30. That's going for about $70 online. Number 46 is a Ziploc Space Saver bag for $15. There's our Ziploc. Number 47 is a cool glass dome with a kind of bamboo base tray. So reminds me of the dome that they use in Beauty and the Beast to hide the little rose. All right, then number 48 is a bed skirt for a king or a queen, $5. Then if you don't have a king or a queen, but a full, here you go. Here's a full bed skirt for $5, number 49. Number 50 is a drawing tool set for $5. Number 51 is our famous day of the week closet organizers, $5 a piece. We have 6 of them. Number 52 is a small acrylic shelves. There's 3 different size shelves, clear in color, $5 for all of them. Number 53 is sewing lessons. It has all the tools in there to help you with the, I think it's embroidery, or is it sewing? It's embroidery. Machine embroidery, 6 easy lessons with tools in there. So that's $15, normally a $35 book. Number 54 is a black recliner slip cover with the multiple different pieces to cover every piece of your recliner, $15. Number 55 is a portable blanket, really cool, $15. Number 56 is a scrapbook 3-hole punch kit, places for pictures and such, $5. Number 57 is a pack of nail towels, 10 of them. How many are in there? I didn't look. There's a bunch. So we will tell you tomorrow, but it's a whole huge pack of lots of them. $10. Number 58 is Mickey Mouse border for a bulletin board, $5. Number 59 is an awesome prank gift box. So this is a gift box. It's not actually what's in the box, just the box for Christmas time, $5. Number 60 is a queen mattress pad. We have 2 of them for $20. Number 61 is a set of pillows, and it has this...
No, I said just one.
Oh, sorry. One pack of pillows. You get both of them? Just one pillow. One pillow, and it has this cool round cover. Number 61 is $25, and 2 of them available. Number 62 is a pickup truck pad. It's made for a pickup truck, $100 for that. Number 63 is a duvet cover for a queen or a full for $20, bright white there. Wandering on over. 64 is a light up 6-foot garland set. It's a Bethlehem light up set, $35. Number 65 are those plastic lids for those big catering roasters you always see, $10, and we have 6 available of those lids. Number 66 is a Brooklyn Whopper bat. It's a weighted bat to help you with your swing, $20. Number 67 are these fun costume Jason masks. This is a good suggestion. You have to wear a mask these days, so here you go. For $10, you can have fun with it. You've got 6 available. Number 68 are some cool USA maps. There are, how many?
4.
4 available. 4 available for the USA maps, $10 a piece. Number 69, metal pails, 2 of them available, $5 a piece. Number 7 is the cool plastic axe toy, $5, 2 of them available. Number 71 is the peel and stick barnwood, $50 per box, and it shows you it's 16 square feet. So, and we'll give you all of the details about that. That is brown in color. Then number 72 is a camera rig, this down here, camera rig slider for $300. It's normally $480. So it is this piece here, and it's showing you how you mount your camera on it. So it is a camera rig slider for $300. And last but not least, of course, number 73, in the end, Jesus wins sign, 4 of them available, $15. So hopefully you find something you want on this week's fire sale. See you at noon Central Standard Time. Remember, I will link it to the patron page and the Facebook page 15 minutes before the show. So feel free to log on early. You'll see the thumbnail, and then we'll get started. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.